A very simple question.
Yeah.
Talking about business, what kind of business you want to build in your country? I mean, Aceh.
Aceh.
Yeah, what kind of your business or what business or merchant or food or restaurant or selling core or drug or what kind?
Okay.
Oh, marijuana, maybe something like that. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, what this?
The business never die is business. It always needs from the people like education, like healthy, like health, like what that's health, like what that's stylish.
Style,
Yes.
yeah.
But for me,
Lifestyle maybe.
lifestyle maybe. Yes, for me, I not what that's. I not look the necessary business, primary business.
Primary, yeah,
business.
yeah.
So I look the future business like the netizen behavior on what that's on internet. Yes, news, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So if you want your country or your area to be rich, to be good, good what that's good earn for them, you take other people from other area into your area. Right? If you sell for your family, it's not sell, man. It's not make you rich. But if you sell for other people, yes, it makes your family to be rich. It's take message like that.
That's it.
So for me, I learned about how to dynamical market. I learned about it. Yes, so I learned about how to be market something, sell something like sell idea, sell my like copywriting, sell my opinion, and sell my friend's product, sell my friend's service like that. So it's practice you to be a good marketing.
Yeah.
Marketing.